Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're going to learn about these SH files that are used in bash scripting. So SH is the main format of bash scripting. You know, like the main file formats where you store the code. For something like echo hello world. So like bash main.sh is gonna run. So use echo to print things. So you could also create variables here. Like if I say name equals Lisa. So variable can either be strings, numbers, or booleans. So there are strings and numbers. I'm gonna say num equals 25 and booleans. You can say is male equals true. So you can print all of these types of variables. Hello name. You have to put this if you want to print variables. It's gonna say hello to the name. But if I say hello num, it's gonna say the number. Say hello is underscore male. It's gonna say that. When you're creating variables, the variable, the equals, it has to be joined together with the variable name and the string. If you add a space between it, like you would in most other programming languages, it's not gonna work. It's gonna say hello and then leave this blank space. So yeah, it has to be like this. And there's also a read function. You can use the read function to, read. So instead of saying name equals Isa, I'm gonna say read name. Alright, so I'm gonna say hello name. I run the bash file. It's gonna ask me for the name. I'm gonna say Isa. Says hello that. So, well, if you run the file, it's just blank. It shows this blank thing before enters the name. It needs it to be more clear when they should enter the name, make it more obvious. So we can use the echo function again, or maybe the print function. Print what is your name? I'm gonna say echo what is your name. So I'm just gonna say the usual. Now it says that. In bash scripting, you can also run the local OS commands. Like for example, I can say touch singy.txt. If I run the file, it's gonna add singy.txt. I can make directories for writing mkdir. mkdir stuff. I'm gonna create the stuff folder. I can write cd stuff. Go inside the stuff folder, but what's inside it? What's really inside the stuff folder? Go write cd stuff and then touch sin.txt. We're gonna try the stuff folder. I'm gonna see sin.txt. If you want to add content to this sin.txt, I have to write something like echo hello sin.txt. Yeah, I'm also gonna write this. So if we just write, so I'm gonna say read name. Also gonna remove touch sin.txt since sin.txt is already created. I'm gonna say read name. I'm gonna say for name. I'm gonna say echo hello name into sin.txt. First Isa, it's gonna say hello Isa, and if I write another thing, it's gonna say hello, whatever that is. But we can do better than that. We can make it so that every time we run it, it's gonna add a new hello, but whoever do that, you write 2 of these arrows. So let's say Isa, it's gonna add hello Isa, the comma as well. Let's see, person is going to add hello person instead of just replacing it. Sin. So yeah. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.